What's up, everyone? I'm gonna do a part 2 of my CB radio. I guess I didn't show my CB antenna radio, how I installed it, where I installed it and all that, so I'm about to show you right now. It is just a 4-foot mirror mount antenna, which I just mounted it into the bed. And then I've got a drain plug right there. I don't know if you can tell, but I just ran the wire through that. Also, check out paraswagusa.com. Truck's a little messy. I do have another CB antenna mount that got on the other side. It's mounted in the same place. I'm gonna end up hooking my radio up to it. But anyway, under the back seat, you just pull the carpet up, and there is a plug right here. You should just take that out, and I notched it just enough for the wire to go through. And then I ran it underneath the trim all the way up to the CB radio. We're running under the seat and up to the CB radio. If you haven't checked out my CB radio, go check it out in one of the other videos. Hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.